Removing brackets with negative multiplier. Examples. Remove bracket from this expression. Minus 3 into bracket m plus n. Solution. We have minus 3 into bracket m plus n. Minus 3 is a negative integer. Hence, minus 3 here represents the multiplier, and the multiplier now is a negative multiplier. So in this case, we are going to use minus 3 to first multiply the first term here. So we are going to have minus 3 times m. Then what do we have at the middle here? Plus. We still use the same minus 3, which is the multiplier, to multiply n. So we have minus 3 times n. Now we have minus 3 times m. We have what? Minus 3m. Now we have plus minus 3 times n. What are we having? That is minus 3n. Don't forget, this is still minus, and we have plus here. Minus times plus is what? That is minus. So we now have minus 3m minus 3n. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.